So now we're gonna make mug brownie. So our 3 ingredients is the egg, Nutella, flour. So first we're gonna crack the egg in the bowl. Jenna, you want to mix it? So I'm gonna mix it, then it's Jenna's turn. Jenna, you wanna mix it? Now I'm gonna put half of the 1 flour cup. Now we're gonna put Nutella. Jenna, continue to mix. I'm gonna put my Nutella in here. Wait. Jenna, now you have to mix. So I love Nutella. It's so yummy. I love it. So now we're done mixing. So we're gonna put the chocolate in here and here and here. So I'm gonna add some. So now we're gonna continue to pour the last bowl. So now we already poured this in. So now we have to put it in the microwave. So now I love the smell of the brownie. But this was in the microwave. It was 1 minute 30 seconds. We're gonna surprise my uncle with this nice smell of brownie right here. We're gonna bring it after and show him this brownie. So I love him so much. I'm gonna give him this brownie. It smells really good. I'm gonna try it. It's gonna taste good. Bye bye.